This is Lagos. My pikin dey Lagos. Na here we dey. We will survive. Hey. I wear shorts. Water cover my shorts.
Torrential rain in Lagos on Wednesday morning left most parts of the metropolis and major roads under water. The rain began around 2 a.m. Some residents woke up to find their homes and estates flooded. Almost all parts of Lagos, including Surulere, Ijesha, Okokomaiko, Ibeju-Lekki, Greenland Estate and Mende, Apapa-Gbagada, Oshodi, Isolo, Lekki, Ikoyi, Ogba, Ikeja and Ajah were affected by the flood. Major roads like the Iyana-Oworonshoki link to the Third Mainland Bridge, LASU/Iba-Ojo Road, Awolowo Road in Ikeja, Apapa-Gbagada Expressway, and the Lagos-Ibadan Highway were flooded. Arterial roads were also affected. Most pupils, students, and workers could not make it out of their homes because of the flood. Cars parked in pristine estates and garages had been submerged before dawn. Tokunbo Wahab, Commissioner for Environment and Water Resources in Lagos, said a team has been deployed to clear the flash floods in certain parts of Nigeria's commercial capital. Motorists and commuters were also left stranded due to the flooding in the Alagbado and Ifo areas of Ogun State. The EFAG team from the Lagos State Ministry of the Environment and Water Resources at Lagos were deployed to monitor and clear the flash flood at the Okokomaiko section of Iyana-Oworonshoki. The road was free from rainwater by 2 p.m.